Good day and welcome. Happy New Year. Thank you for tuning into the Consciously Abundant Now Network. I am Kim Yada, and today I'd like to speak with you about numbers and you. How to use numbers to guide your life. Before I dive into this topic, I'd like for you to hit the like, share, and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any pertinent information that could help change your life. Before I start today, I'd like to do something that I only do with those that are closest to me, and that's speak from the heart. So, as you all know, of course, we're in 2021, and most of you are expecting this year to, you're expecting to manifest love. You're looking to manifest abundance. You're looking to manifest a child or a marriage or a new house or whatever it is that you've been imagining that you're going to manifest this year. And that's well and good. It can happen if you're very clear about what you want, but I need for you to know that in December, from December 1st to December 21st, I made a conscious decision to go on a water fast. So every day up until the 14th day it was a challenge, yes, but I am here to tell you that when you put your mind to something, there is nothing that can stop you. Yes, I had some hunger pains, but the revelations that I received because of training myself to, I didn't watch TV for those 21 days. I only listened to mantras and guided meditations and positive affirmations and things that would feed my soul. So, needless to say, my intuition has heightened greatly. I've had to cut people off because I'm vibrating so high. Maybe I didn't cut them off. Maybe they couldn't stand all this light. Either way it goes, my hedges, I don't know. I was going to say my hedges have been trimmed, but I didn't like the way that sounded. But um, my inner circle has dwindled to less than the fingers on one hand. Okay, so my 21-day fast was phenomenal. Now, yes, money is important because without money, there are very few things that we can do. We can't reach our ultimate goals because this 3D matrix has designated uh, something called money, which is an energy. Don't get me wrong, it's an energy, but we could use monopoly money and all agree that it is valuable, and that could be the new currency. But really, your energy is your currency. Times have changed, to everyone. Please, my beloveds, understand that times have changed. Nothing is going to ever be the same again. And that in of itself, that is a good thing. Fear should be the right now fear should be the furthest things from your heart. It's no other way to say it. Fear should be the furthest thing from your heart. 2020 should have given you the opportunity to overcome all your fears. No more fear. Now we're in the energy of love. Nothing can be hidden. There, okay, so I have a neighbor, and on the surface, she seems to be like the nicest old lady ever. Like, you would think that, she is just like the perfect neighbor. But after my 21 day, during my 21-day fast, I was able to see things about her that made me cringe. Now, I didn't, you know, tell her that I saw these things about her, but my actions are speaking volumes, because where I would, sit outside and, catch the sun with her and talk about mundane 3D things. No, it's no more. I cannot and will not dim my light to fit in. Okay? So times have changed, everyone. We're dealing with universal credit now. Yes, we still have to deal with, Equifax and TransUnion and Transperian, you know. However, um, or did I say Transperian? Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Yes, right now we still have to deal with those things, but however, universal credit is what is going to get doors open for you, or close doors that should never be open to you for your own good. So just speaking from the heart for these few minutes, just to let you know where I'm coming from a very blissful state. I'm coming from a very intuitive place, because I don't make New Year's resolutions. I change right there when I need to change. So that was December 1st when I needed to change. You understand? So I'm in a very heightened place of intuition right now, which leads me to this video of doing numbers and you. Before, let's see, about the middle of November, okay, I've always been interested in numbers, okay? I've always been interested in numbers and math. However, I didn't know how they affected my life until 2015, when I ordered my first numerology reading, and it's just so much light on my life, like, oh wow. So this is part of the reason why I'm doing this, because it is a heart's desire. Yes, I of course I'm going to be abundant. That's written in the star. Like, nothing can stop that except me. And of course I'm not going to stop that, because large sums of money are coming to me easily and quickly in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis, in the best interest of all that I get to keep, use, give, and spend joyously. So that's my mantra for the days and days and weeks now. So the money and abundance is going to come, but I want to help people understand who they are from a from a numerology standpoint. So yes, I made videos on abundance, and I can speak on any subject, but why not speak on something that's my heart's desire, that's written in the stars for me, that my name and my birth date dictates that I should be a spiritual entrepreneur. And so what better way than to start with the numbers? So here's this video. Did you know that there are only 9 numbers in the universe, my beloveds? There are only 9 numbers in the universe. So after 9, the numbers just repeat themselves. Okay, for example, do an experiment. you can take any number. Okay, so let's just start with 10. So if you take 10 and add the 1 plus the 0, you'll get 1. 11, you'll take the 1 plus the 2, the 1 plus the 1, and you'll get 2. 12, add the 1 plus the 2, and you'll get 3. So the numbers just begin to repeat themselves. 1, 2. You can do this with any number. Just for kicks and giggles, do it yourself, and you'll see. Just do it with the calendar, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, everyone. So the numbers have their own energy and their color. As you can see here, number 1 is associated with the color red, and the energy that it gives off is leadership, goals, and assertiveness. Number 2 deals with the color orange, and it corresponds with the energy of unity, positive balance, and negative balance. Number 3 is associated with the color yellow, and it has the energy of communication, creativity, and connection. Hey, try C there. Number 4, it is the color green, and its energy deals with structure, sincerity, and integrity. Number 5's color is blue, and this deals with change, freedom, and transformation. Number 6's color is purple, and this energy or vibration is dealing with family, loyalty, and compromise. And 7 is the earth tone, and this number is spirituality. Number 8 is gray, which deals with wealth and power, and number 9 is multicolors, which deals with humanitarian. If you notice, there's a little correspondence here with the chakras. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Red dealing with the root, the orange with the sacral, the yellow with the solar plexus, the green with the heart, the blue with the throat, the indigo, purple with the third eye, and then of course, the crown chakra is violet. Now, knowing your numbers, your personal numbers, can help you make important life decisions. It can help you gain insight into the nature of situations that repeat in your life. It can help you, they can help you choose the best career paths. They can help you choose dates of events wisely. They can also help couples on their compatibility and best name choices for their children. They can also help businesses and events to become a success. How? Because each number has a vibration. And just for an example, your name, if you add the letters, if you put your name in a row and take the corresponding number for each particular letter of your name, add it up, you'll come up with a double digit. Maybe it's sometimes a single digit, but normally a double digit. You'll take that double digit and you'll reduce it to a single digit, and whatever that single digit is, that's the vibration of your name. Of course, it's a little more complex than that, but in short layman's terms, that's the gist of it. Now, if you'd like to know more about your personal numbers, I'd love to get an email from you at consciouslyabundantnow@gmail.com. However, if you are ready to use your mind to manifest, you can go to our website, which is www.consciouslyabundantnow.com, and check out what we're offering there. Um, with that, I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to listen to this valuable information. Again, I have finally found something that I can speak about that I truly enjoy talking about. Not that I didn't truly talk about abundance, but we have Wesley for that. There's Wesley Virgin for that. There are Tony Robbins. There are a number of other people who are doing that, and doing it very well. And I believe that this is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing at this particular time in the universe, helping you all to understand that numbers are ultra important in your life. So, with that, I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Peace.